Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about how we can use a predictive model in creating a agent force action. So in the last session I have talked about like how we can just create an predictive model. So I have shown like how to create that predictive model, and I have utilized animal records to predict the adoption rate for any animal record is getting updated or created, and I have used this predictive model as an action in record triggered flow. So I have created those tutorials. I'll be adding those tutorial links in this video description. But today I'll be going to talk about and demonstrate how we can use that agent action using this predictive model, so that we can use that agent force action in an agent, and that agent will predict an animal record adoption rate. So let me just go to the setup, and from the quick find we can just search for assets. So under the Agentforce Studio we can find these Agentforce assets. From the Agentforce asset library we can directly create a new topic and actions as well. So we can just create that action. So I'll be just click on this new agent action button, and from the reference action type we have different types available like Apex, API, flow, predictive model, prompt template. So from the action type I'll be just choosing this predictive model, and it will show all the active predictive models under this reference action, and I'll be choosing our predictive model like predict adoption of animals. So it will show the level of that predictive model and as well as that API name for the agent action that we are just going to be created, and I'll be just click on next, and it's showing that instructions like requests a predictive model to return outputs based on the runtime values of input variables like this, and these values are sourced from the agent's context such as records or user inputs. For a regression model, this action returns a numeric value for a predicted outcome such as expected deal revenue. So in our case our predictive outcome is in decimal number, like the adoption rate. It will predict the animal adoption rate based on the certain inputs like like the age of the animal, the species, then the health status of the animal. So I'll be just configuring them one by one. So we can just uncheck this loading text. So loading text is nothing but the text it will just show while the Agentforce is processing our inputs. So that message will shown in that progress, like in progress, your action is going to be processed. Those kind of messages we can just display in the agent console. So I for now I am just unchecking this, and in the top predictors I'll be using like this one, like topmost variables that are most significant in providing that outcome for the animal adoption rate. So for this case there is no input required, since I'll be just capturing the inputs for the animal specific record, like for species, like the model requires a value for species, what is the species of the animal. So I'll be just selecting this as well, like collect data from user, and health status of the animal record, I'll be choosing this one, collect data from the user, and this is by default required, since at the model creation we have just created the model configurations based on this input values like this health status, breed, species. And for now I am just not choosing this animal age of that animal. So let me just check this one, color of the animal, date of birth, then gender. Let me choose the age as well. Where is the age? Collect data from the user. Now our in the factors. So factors is nothing but the top predictors. So the topmost variables are more significant for predicting the outcome, that information will be showed under these top predictors. So I'll be just click on this show in conversation checkbox, and prescriptions I'll be just choosing show in conversation. And this is our most sometimes this rendering as some Chinese words, but it's like decimal. It's written in English like decimal, and I'll be choosing this one. And prediction is nothing but the output value represents a prediction. This meaning of the value depends on the model type. So this is the variable we will be utilizing in the response, and based on that we can just understand what is the rate of the adoption for the animal record. So I'll be just click on finish. And if I just search our newly created Agentforce section like predict adoption of an animal. So this is how we can just create an Agentforce action. So now I'll be using this Agentforce action as a topic action for an agent. So let me just in the quick find, let me just search for agents. So then under the Agentforce Studio, you can find Agentforce agent. And let me just, for the time being, I'll be choosing this Agentforce default. So I'll be just clicking on this version 1. So we are now in Agentforce Builder, and we can see by default topic is assigned like general CRM, but it will not affect our response. If I just see the topic section, there are no actions are available. So we are good, and we can just create a new topic for our case like and in this page in this page we can just specify our requirements, and Agentforce will automatically create our topics and description. Let me just provide what are the requirements like based on the animal uh, records, field values such as age, date of birth, species, gender, etc. Based on these values we want to calculate adoption rate of an animal. Let me provide this description, and let me see the topic the Agentforce is getting generated and instructions as well. And now we can see that Agentforce automatically created this topic name like animal adoption rate calculation, then the API name, and we can see classification description like classifies user inquiries requiring relating to calculating the adoption rate of animal records based on their records such as age, date of birth, species, gender. And scope will be your job is to only calculate the adoption rate of animals using provided record fields such as age, date of birth, species, gender. Do not address unrelated topics or perform actions outside these calculations. And these are the instructions are available as well, already created like use the provided animal records to calculate the adoption rate based on the fields like age, date of birth, species, and gender. And instruction, there are a lot other instructions as well, like ask for additional information if any required field is missing or unclear the provided records. Ensure that the adoption rate calculation is accurate and based on solely the for the provided data. Clarify any ambiguous inputs by asking specific questions to gather the required data. So our topic got generated with the instructions as well. We can just click on next, and we can just add our created Agentforce action like this one, predict adoption of animals. Now we want to find based on any animal record, based like I have already lots of animal records that I created. Let me just show you. If I go the animals records, and we can see that there are a lot of records are there. So we'll be using any of the animal records by searching the animal by its name. Then we want to just find the date of adoption for that animal record. Like suppose I am just going to a random animal record like this an Alex animal name, and there are no adoption rate is available for this record. Now we want to calculate based on this Alex name, we want to find its adoption rate. So let me just search for the action like identify record by name. I'll be adding this action identify record by name. So this is a Agentforce standard action, like it searches Salesforce CRM records by name and returns a list of matching Salesforce records. So I'll be just click on finish. So now we can see that our topic got created, and we can see our related added actions for these topics as well. Now let me just refresh this conversation preview, and we can just search like um, find the adoption rate for the animal record named Alex. So we can see that it's already the adoption rate prediction for the Alex is ready, and we can see its adoption rate is like 83.85 uh, percent. So this is how we can just use Agentforce action that based on a reference type of predictive model, and based on that we can just find the adoption rate of an animal. And if I just show you the debug logs, and we can find these are the two actions got triggered. Identify record by name, it's finding the correct correct animal record, and based on that it's then calculating this invoking this model predict adoption of animals, and based on that we can just getting our response.